So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hey friends, welcome back to another video of Power BI Masterclass series. Now in this video, we're gonna be exploring again the customer ranking and solving the issue called total issues. So you might have seen the issue which you have seen in the previous video where we have the customer ranking and we have the group of ranking them by their profit and sales. We have total sales, which is a sum of total sales, and here we have one which is not the correct one, that is not the sum of the sales ranking, and here this it is not the correct, that is sum of this profit one. So to resolve this issue, let's go to this new page now, and I'll be using this customer company and the sales ranking. So let's add that. So what I'll do, I'll first I'll copy this. So I'll copy this visual and I'll paste it here, and from that I'll just remove everything except this customer company and the sales ranking. Yeah, make it small. Yeah, here you can see we have the customer ranking and the sales, which is presenting the top customer company by their total sales. And here we got the total, which is presenting one, which we didn't want that. So what I'll do, I'll add the filters that representing. I want the customers from, let's say, I want only top 10 customers or top 20 customers by their total sales ranking. So how to do that? So we already seen we used parameters. So let's do that first. So what I'll do, I'll go to this insert tab. Yeah, I'll go to this home tab, and sorry, I'll go to this modeling tab, and here we have the new parameter, and I'll add the numeric range. So let's say this, and let's pass the parameter name. Let's say it should be dynamic ranking, and here it should be data type should be whole number, and here I'll pass the minimum as one, and the maximum, let's say we have total customers in our data sets, customer company we have 89 customers, so I'll pass here 89, and increment should be 1, and so I click on create now. So it is created a slicer we have. So we already seen this in the previous video. So we got this slicer, which is in this slicer is not connected with this. So let's do that first. So let's go to this measures table, and here let's create a top X customer. Let's increase this size. So I'll use top X customer, and I'll say if use if function. Say I'll say if the sales ranking, yeah, I'll say the sales ranking, if it is less than or equal to this dynamic ranking which we have created, if this true, then I'll say show me what the total sales. Show me the total sales, or else keep at word black. So I'll click on enter here. Now let's select this on our visual, which is topics, uh, topics, topics customer usually. Yes, verify this. Yeah. So you can see here we got the topics customer sends, and here we have blank values, which is we didn't want that. So what I'll do, I'll remove this sales ranking. So you can see now we have the top X customers and their total sales. So you can see here we got the total sales, which is the sum of the whole top customers, that is 89 customers total sales. So if I filter this to, let's say, 54, you can see the top total is not changed. So it is constant. So what I'll do, I like to see that when I filter this dynamic ranking, let's say I'll filter to top 10 to top 20, then it shows top 20 customer total sales here. So let's see how we can do that. For that, what I'll do, I'll go to this top X customer again, and here, so make it bigger, and I'll use some functions here. We have three alternate solutions, so we can use if is filtered, or if it has a scope, or if it has some value. So let's see. So I'll use if function. Let's say I'll use if is filtered. I'll say if the customer company, order tables customer company, if this is filtered, then I'll say this means what it does, it will check these customers, and it will see if these customers are the customer company. uh, if that is true, then it displays this total sales, or else here we have total, so it is not. So what it does, so it will, let's say, if the result is false, then let's say what I'll do, I'll display blank. Let's see. We have some error here. Uh, You can see here the total one is removed. The total sales, sorry, the total sales is removed here. What if you want to show the total sales? So to do that, what I'll do, I'll go to this top X customer. By the way, you can also use the has one value, or let's say has one value, or has one filtered. Let's say has one value. So the result is same. If I'll say if it is in scope, yes. So the result is same. So you can use three functions. So for now, let's say if it is in scope. So what I'll do, I'll remove this blank, and here I'll use calculate function. So what I want the top X customers. Yes, sorry, I want the total sales. So I'll use the total sales, and the filter expression. What I'll do, I'll use top n function, and here I need to provide the n value. I'll use a dynamic ranking value. Yes, and I'll say if this dynamic ranking value, if this is in the values table. Why I'm using values to filter out the unique record. So I'll use the customer company. Yes, and here I need to provide an expression here. Customer company. Yeah. Huh? I'll need to provide the order by expression. So order by their total sales. Yes, and the descending order. Let's close this. We have some error. No. So you can see when I filtered this dynamic ranking slicer, let's say I want the top eight customers. You can see we have top eight customers and their total sales. So if I filter to top 12 or 15 or 16, so it is filtered. Let's make this bigger so you can see. If I'll say top 11, top 15, it is filtered now. So let's explore once again what we done. So what I'll do. So if I say if this orders company is stable, if this is orders company stable, and it'll check if all the customer company has orders company. So here we have total, which is not the orders company. So it will say it is false. So if this is false, then what it does, then show me the total sales. So we use the total to get this total sales. So we use the top n function here, token function, we check this for this dynamic ranking value, and in this values table, so to get the unique records. So then we order them by total sales. So let's hit enter now. So that's it for this video. Hope you will enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.